Today we're going to put up the Christmas tree.
He's not wearing any Christmas things.
No, as you can see, I've just got a black hoodie on, and Natalie's all Christmassy. Pretty cool. So today we're going to stick up the Christmas tree. It's just going to be a wee quick vlog. We done this last year, so if any's seen it last year, the tree is going to be a bit similar, apart from one cool guy. But we're not going to tell you what it is. You're going to need to watch to near the end of the video to see it. We'll show you some of the stuff as we go, and we're just basically going to do a time lapse of putting the tree up.
We're going to put it up in a different corner as well this year.
Yeah, so we'll show you all that. Right, we get going.
Bye.
Thought we'd also show you our duvet set. How cool is this? Natalie got this the other day. Keep calm and get your ho 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 on. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Our wee indoor doormat, excuse the mess of it, as you can see it gets used quite a lot, that's pretty cute. And then outside we've got a wreath on the door. This is a real wreath, so it will age and fall apart. Looks cracking. Here's our box full of all our Christmas tree stuff. And here's our baubles, which we'll show you in a wee minute when they're out. And check out this thing here that Natalie's done. So Natalie, why have you done this?
Because the lights always get tangled, so I thought while I was putting them away I would wrap them and then we just had to unwrap them again.
Right, so we'll tell you if this works. Guys, just to let you know, remember I was slagging Natalie for her iron brew bottle where she put the lights all round it? Ingenious idea. If you don't want your lights all tangled, get an iron brew bottle, or any bottle. I mean, it could be Pepsi, Coke, there's obviously other juice companies out there, and you just wrap your lights round this and it's so much easier, they don't get tangled.
Here we've got our Sully, who is putting up his wee lights there. He's got his wee Monsters Inc thing down there. Give it a wee dust later on, but I absolutely love him so much. It's not really an official Disney one, a little teddy bear, but it was a present. But see if you notice, I don't know if you'll see it in the camera, but on the ribbons there's little hidden Mickey berries. So he has a wee Disney bear. He used to play music, but not so much anymore. It's like demonic in it. But I love him. And we've got my favourite little troublemaker, 626. Little Stitch himself, who's not very good at putting up Christmas decorations, let's be fair. What are you like, Stitch? He's lost a little finger, I think, along the way. But he's still cute. We got this one from Disneyland Paris last year. It's our little 3 bear brothers from Brave, little glittery tree trunk. Scottish Pixar film, so obviously we have to have Brave on our tree. This is another non-Disney one, but Chris's mum bought us it when we first bought our house. We had our first Christmas in, so I like to put this on the tree and keep it in its own little box. It's all hand painted. Ba-la-la! He is also a nightmare for putting up Christmas decorations, so it's a good job that we put the lights up ourselves. But how cute is he? 2018 it says in his little thing, and I just love him so much. He's quite heavy, but I love him. These two I got in a Secret Santa one year, and I still don't know who gave me them, but I absolutely love them. Little Jingle Bells, the main mouse himself. How cute are they? They are literally perfect.
And then we've got this one. Is this our new one for this year?
Yeah, we bought this earlier this year, so this is this year's new edition.
How cool is this, guys? That's amazing. That's going to look pretty awesome up there.
I love Carl and Ellie.
How amazing is that? And this is our box of Nightmare Before Christmas baubles. This is last year's editions. There's new ones this year, but we didn't go for them just because we've still got these. We might end up getting them next year.
Maybe.
How cool are these guys? A wee bit disappointed, Disney, where's Oogie Boogie? Then we've got Ralph to watch over the presents, just in case anybody comes in the middle of the night to try and steal them.
He is on Santa's good list.
How cool is he?
He's a good boy.
And Ralph's obviously got a pet cat, but it's a dead pet cat.
He's still a good dead pet cat.
What's his name?
We didn't give him one.
No, we just call him Belly.
Aww.
So it's a she now.
Little Belly.
And what have you got in your hands there?
And then I've got some little tinsely gravestones.
We'll show you this when it's all set up at the bottom. It looks pretty cool. They're cool, aren't they? So if any of you guys watched our vlog for last year about a Christmas tree, you know that our tree topper last year was this. And he is pretty cool, but this year he's been upgraded to... How cool is he? Sure does say... I can't say the word that he says. If any of you have watched Rick and Morty, you know exactly what he says.
Scary Terry is the perfect Christmas topper. Look at his jumper, it's almost like a Christmas tree.
He's amazing, isn't he? So he's going to be a Christmas topper this year, and we'll show you what it looks like at the top of the tree. So that's all the baubles put up. As you can see, they're cracking looking. Pretty cool. Our new addition, Carol and Ellie, which is amazing. And then here he is, Scary Terry. How cool does he look?
He sure does say Christmas a lot.
Don't think that's what he says.
Yes, it is.
What do you think, guys? You like it? Look at Natalie's picture over there. Jon Snow.
The Christmassy ever. He's got a Christmas surname.
So it's not quite finished yet. We've still got the bits at the bottom to do, but we'll show you that in a wee minute. So we decided to put Jack up in the door. And how cute does he look? Over here are our advent calendars. We've got these 3 cracking wee pugs. How cute are they, wee guys? Although this guy here on the right looks petrified, doesn't he? Get the camera off me. And then just to show you our finished tree from the bottom up. So here's wee Ralph, his wee candy cane. Then he's got some presents that he's obviously looking after. Some more presents underneath the tree in the wee graveyard. And then just the tree. How cool is that? This is my favourite one because this is just new this year. It's me and Natalie. And then Scary Terry. So guys, that's us finished putting up the Christmas tree. Well, I say us, I helped a wee tiny bit with the Christmas tree and then Natalie went and done the rest of the decorations and all that stuff.
He always does the same thing every year.
Yeah.
Although he did put some decorations out on the window outside.
I did, exactly. So thanks very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a like and subscribe because it really helps us out. Thanks very much. Bye bye.